Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Graphic Galaxy Studio. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe and like. In this video, I am going to show you how I remove text from an image in Photoshop. First step will be open the lock layer. Click the polygonal lasso tool. In Photoshop, the polygonal lasso tool helps you remove text from images. Open the file with the download image you want to edit. Once you have selected unwanted text, click Fill, select Content Aware. Again, then choose the Deselect from Select menu, and that's it. Thank you for watching Graphic Galaxy Studio.